Hey, what's up, Mr. YouTube? This is Alien Streams, and for today's video we have something a bit different. This one right here actually is a fake G-Shock that was bought from China. You can tell that is a fake, because it's a pretty good quality fake though. But as you can see, the paint peeled off right here. As you can see, probably, let me try to get the time in. So the buttons, they don't actually work as they should right now, and this is not that old of a watch. I've been using it for about probably a month or two. So the buttons are damaged somehow. I don't know how I ended up damaging them, but they don't work properly. And the main concern actually is that, this axis right here, they don't follow the actual time. But I mean, overall it was a pretty good copy, but this is probably another story, because today I want to take a look what's inside. And this one, by the way, is another fake right here, just a different color, but it's same China fake watch. It looks pretty authentic. It's very close. But as you can see right now, it doesn't work. It doesn't do the actual job it has to, so what's the point of it? But let's take a look inside and let's see what they have inside actually, in case you were wondering. So they have the screws right here that we're gonna take off real quick. I didn't mention the model actually. This one is supposedly a copy of a GA110GW. This is the actual model. Let's see what we have inside. So right here we have the berry. It's covered with a plastic film that looks pretty, pretty authentic. Look at this. It even has a text on it that says take off this battery first for analog battery, blah blah blah, replacement, caution, all that stuff. And it has battery right here. Let's try to take it off. Let me use this screw. It's a Phillips screw right here. I got it off. I mean, I must admit they used pretty quality materials here, but again, what's the point if it doesn't work, properly, and ended up being damaged or whatever. So this is the insides. Look at this. Looks pretty cool. Let's take a look at the case. The glass here, this is plastic. Right here. And then you have the buttons here. I mean, look at this strips right here. They look pretty quality, The rubber is pretty good. What else we got here? It says Casio here. Let's try to take off the small screws as well. And let's see what else they got inside, deep inside. Well, this is like a motherboard or something. This is how it looks. This is the light. It says here M1, M2, and a code name here. I mean, looks pretty legit inside. And here we have the mechanism. Wow, which is pretty detailed for this axis right here. Let's try to take it out. Wow, they're pretty detailed, you see? Let me take this one out as well. Pretty interesting. And this is basically it. What else can we take out? This one goes off. This is plastic as well. But this is like a metal or something. Yeah, it's metal. And then the screen itself right here. There you go, and that broken. Yeah, it's glued to this white plastic. Well, back to the case. Let's see what else we can get out. I don't know what about this screw. Oh, they have this rubber that would presumably keep the moisture and the water out. But what's here? I'm not sure what this screw stands for. What does it keep in place? Does it keep something in place? This plastic right here. But I'm not sure what it does. No, it does nothing. It's just there's to stay. The buttons, you can't take them out. At least I don't know how to do it. This is keeping the strips in place, I guess. I bend it out. So yeah, I guess, this is pretty much it. Well, that's it, guys. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe for more like this, and I'll see you next time. Peace.